Hello friends, glad to see you again on our channel. Today we have a very useful and important video for all drivers. And it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an experienced driver, this video will be useful for absolutely everyone. We will analyze 7 traffic situations that can occur in real life. We will look at the pictures, discuss what is happening in them, and choose the correct answers to questions on traffic rules. So get comfortable, grab some tea or coffee, and let's check together how well you know the traffic rules. Let's go! Question number 1. In this image, we see an intersection with a traffic light. There is a blue car in front of us. It is about to turn right. There is no one around it. The traffic light is green. Everything seems calm and you can drive, but before you make a turn, you need to carefully check that it is safe. The question is as follows. Before turning right at an intersection, you must make sure that there are no cars approaching. Answer options: on the left, and that there is no oncoming traffic turning right into your lane. On the right, and that there is no oncoming traffic turning left. On the left, and that there is no oncoming traffic turning left. On the right, and that there is no oncoming traffic turning right. Right answer is on the left, and that there is no oncoming traffic turning left. I'll explain why. When you turn right on a green light, it is important to pay attention to the cars moving on the left, which also have a green light, and make sure that the oncoming traffic is not planning to turn right into the same lane. This will help avoid an accident. Question number 2. In this picture, we see an intersection. A black SUV is approaching it, and the traffic light is yellow. There is almost no one on the road, but it is important to understand what to do at such a moment. Question: when you approach a constantly lit yellow traffic light, you should answer options. Give way and pass if it is safe to do so. Pass with caution. Speed up to make it through before the red light. Stop if it is safe to do so. Right answer is yield and pass if it is safe to do so. Let me explain. The yellow light is a warning that the light will soon change to red. If it is possible to brake calmly before the intersection, you must stop. You are only allowed to pass through the yellow light if braking at this moment could be dangerous or impossible. Question number 3. And in this image, we see a 3-lane road. There are 3 cars on it: blue, white, and black. They are moving in different lanes. This situation is standard for any city or highway. The question is, if you are driving on a 3-lane road, the safest place in the lane is. Answer options: the right side of the lane, any part of the lane, the left side of the lane, the center of the lane. And the correct answer is the center of the lane. Let me explain. The safest position in the lane is at center. This way, the driver has the same distance to the cars on the right and left, and there are more opportunities to maneuver if necessary. In addition, this reduces the risk of hitting the side of the road or curb. Question number 4. In this image, we see a car with an orange sign on the back. This sign is often found on slow-moving vehicles, such as tractors or road machinery. Question: this sign on the rear of a car means that the vehicle does not normally travel faster than. Answer options: 35 km/h, 55 km/h, 25 km/h, 65 km/h. Correct answer: 25 km/h. Why? This sign, usually a red triangle with an orange border or the words slow moving vehicle, means that the vehicle cannot travel faster than 25 km/h due to its design features. Drivers must be prepared for its slow movement and change lanes in advance to overtake. Question number 5. The picture shows a traffic situation. A normal stream of cars is moving along the street, but an emergency vehicle, police, ambulance, or fire engine is approaching from behind with its siren and flashing lights on. Question: if you hear a siren or see flashing lights of an emergency vehicle that is catching up with you from behind, you are obliged to answer. Options: move to the right and stop. First, drive through the intersection, then stop. Do not move further until the emergency vehicle has passed. Do all of the listed actions. Correct answer: do all of the listed actions. Move to the right, stop, and do not move until the car has passed. And if you are at an intersection, first leave it safely. Why? Traffic rules. You must give way to special vehicles, but do it safely. If you are already entering the intersection at the moment of the signal, first complete the maneuver. Otherwise, a sudden stop will create an emergency situation. After that, pull to the right edge or to the side of the road and stop, letting the car pass. Question number 6. The image shows a large vehicle, such as a truck or bus, with highlighted zones around it. These zones are places where other cars may be out of the driver's field of vision. Question: the areas around large vehicles where other cars may disappear from view due to blind zones are called. Answer. Options: no zones, zero zones, weaving zones, gore areas. Correct answer: no zones. Why? No zones are blind zones, dead zones, around trucks and buses where the driver cannot see other cars. Particularly dangerous are the zones to the right, behind, and partially in front of a large vehicle. Rule: if you cannot see the truck's mirror, its driver cannot see you either. Question number 7. The picture shows a car driving on a wet road in heavy rain. The film of water under the wheels can lead to loss of traction. Question: in heavy rain, tires can float on the film of water, losing contact with the road. This phenomenon is called. Answer. Options: hydroplaning, friction planing, rain planing, water planing. Correct answer: hydroplaning. Why? Hydroplaning occurs when water does not have time to drain from under the tires and the car floats up. The risk increases with worn tires, small tread. High speed, the faster, the worse the grip. What to do? Slow down, keep the steering wheel straight, do not brake abruptly. This video about interesting situations on the road and their analysis is finished. If you like this video and you want to see more, put a like and subscribe. And don't forget to write how many questions you guessed. See you soon.